Hey guys, welcome back to How to Kitchen. I'm Johnny, your host for the day. Today we're going to teach you how to make usually it's bourbon, but we're using spiced rum today, barbecue sauce for marinating. We're going to put some ribs on later on. We've got some chicken thighs and we're just going to slap that on the oven and go for it. So first off, we're going to start off by putting the cooker on a low heat. There's a little bit of oil in the pan, and I've finely diced up some onion, half an onion. So we'll put that in there. Let that sort of simmer on low for about 5 minutes, and we'll just keep stirring in it. And we'll start adding everything else in a minute. Right, so now we've had our onions slowly simmering on a low heat for about 4 or 5 minutes. We're now ready to start adding everything else into the mixture. So, as I said, we've got our Bacardi spiced rum. You can really do it with anything, whiskey, bourbon, any sort of dark, 40% spirit, because 40% is always better. So we're going to start off by adding 4 shots of the rum. Right, that's that all in there, nice and neat. So that's the rum in the mixture. It's on a low heat, and we're just going to let that simmer. And now we can start adding the rest of our ingredients. So we just got a tomato puree. You sort of just want a good heaped tablespoon in there. The more the merrier, really, because the more you put in, the more sauce you're going to get. You can always put it in the fridge and save it for a later date. Let's put that down there. Right, now that's in there, we're just going to mix it around and slowly break it up while it's just gently heating. And then once it's nice and broken up in there and you've got rid of all the thick lumps, you can add a bit of a tomato ketchup. Really doesn't matter which ketchup you use, any old thing will do. Right, so we're going to add 2 cups. We're going to add 2 cups of ketchup. Seems quite a lot, but it works. Right, let's get one more in there. I might need some more ketchup. Done my 2 cups of ketchup. I'm just going to give it a little stir, get it all mixed in nice and well. Next on the list, we are going to put some Worcestershire sauce in. God knows how you say that properly. You probably want, we've got about 3/4 of a bottle there. Probably want about half of what's left in that, really. So we'll just keep going. So it's a fair old bit, really. A little bit more, and a bit more for good luck. Right, now that we've got the Worcester sauce in there, we'll give it another stir just to get all that mixed in. Right, now that's in there, we're going to add apple cider vinegar. About 1/3 of a cup, or just a good dash, really. Don't want to overdo it because it'll be a bit potent. And again, we'll just mix all that in. We've still got the heat on low, so it's just sort of, it's not even simmering really. We're going to get everything in, turn it up to high, get it simmering, and then turn it back down to low, just so it steadies on for about sort of 10, maybe 15 minutes. So now we've got our Worcestershire sauce in and our apple cider vinegar. We're going to put some brown sugar in. We want about half a cup of brown sugar. Right, so that should be enough sugar. Just tip all that in there. Again, just give it a little stir just to break up all the lumps, get it all mixed in quite nicely. say, this is slowly, because there's quite a lot of ketchup and sort of tomato puree in here. You expect barbecue sauce to be brown, and there's a lot of red gone in, but it's actually turning quite dark brown at the moment with all this sugar in there and the Worcestershire sauce. Right, so that's our sugar, our apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, spiced rum. We're going to put in a tiny little bit of cayenne pepper for a little bit of a kick. So only a little bit of that. So that's in there. Again, give it a little stir, get it going round. And I've mixed up a little tiny bit of salt and pepper and a pestle and mortar. Get that in there just for a little bit of seasoning. And again, stir it around. Now that's all nice and mixed in. We haven't got any lumps or anything in there. We're going to turn that. Sauce been simmering away now for about 15 minutes. I think that's good to go. So I'm going to turn that off. And I'll bring it over to you. You can see it's a sort of nice sort of brown colour, and the smell coming from that is just boozalicious. Now, as I said, we're going to do some chicken thighs, and we're also going to do the ribs later on, but we'll just concentrate on the chicken thighs for now. Something I always like to do, you don't have to, it's optional. I've got lemon pepper. I always put this on my chicken just because I like the taste. So I'm just going to whack a load of that on quickly. Get a nice sort of even coating all the way around each bit. Let's do a little bit more. Right, now that we've got our lemon pepper on the chicken, we can go straight ahead now and put our barbecue sauce all over that. I'm not going to go too mad because a little is enough. You don't need to go crazy with it, which is the good bit about making quite a bit because you can save it for later on. Another thing also, we've finally diced up some onions in this. Optional extra, you can leave the onions in the sauce or you can get a sieve and sieve it all out. Because I like the onions, we're just going to keep it in there for the time being. So we're just going to get some of the sauce and just pour it a little bit over each bit of chicken. Just to sort of cover it up and get all that nicely covered. As I say, we'll probably put some more sauce on the chicken about halfway into the cook, because once it heats up it's just going to go everywhere. We just want to make sure that chicken's evenly sort of coated in sauce. Right, so that is good for now. Let's put the rest of that sauce on the side for later on. Right, I'm going to just wrap this up in tin foil. Just whilst it's in the oven, in the tin foil, it'll just sort of steam itself, and the chicken will be lovely and tender in the middle. It won't go dry and horrible. That's the plan anyway. Right, let's just cover that right up. Right then. Now that's covered up, I'm going to pop this in the fridge for about half an hour. Now that we've finished our chicken, that's in the fridge. As I say, we're going to leave that for half an hour and then that can go straight in the oven. We're going to now prepare our ribs. We're going to actually cook these tomorrow because they are going to sit in the fridge with all this barbecue sauce marinating overnight. So all of it that's left in there, get all that juice out and just pour it all over the ribs. Get every little bit in there. As I say again, you probably see all the little bits in there, that's the onion. You don't have to have the onion in there, you can sieve it out, it just sort of adds a bit of flavour into the sauce. So now that's all in there, let's just get rid of that. We'll just grab now that's done, the juice can just soak into the meat overnight in the fridge. Alright, Riley. We're going to cover it with tin foil. And that is going to be good to go tomorrow.